ಡೆಸರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಇದು ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ ರೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಜೀಪಿಂದ ಎಳಿತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದು. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ. ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸವಾರಿ.
ये पकड़ना है सर, ऊपर जाके सोच सकते, अभी भागना है तब तक। यहाँ से भागते रहना, ऐसे पकड़ना है, ऐसे
ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀಪ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
भागो 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 भागो। ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಭಯ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓ ಮಜಾ ಆ ಗಯಾ ಭೈ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು, ಸೂಪರ್. ಜೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ತರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಇವಾಗ. ಖತರ್ನಾಕ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಓಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೂಪರ್. Sheetal told me that height but still I enjoyed it, bro. Jaisalmer is incomplete without paragliding. Habibi, come to Jaisalmer. ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನೇನೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಗ್ತಾವನೆ. ರಾಜ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ BSF ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
सालम शेख की हवेली देख पूरा लोकल मार्केट घूम कर फिर चलते ना पटवा हवेली. वो पटवा हवेली लोकल मार्केट फिर फोर्ट घूम के फिर हमारे को कॉल कर देना. फिर आप पिकअप करेंगे. आपको राजा की महल दिखाकर लगेज लेकर सीधा ड्रॉप करेंगे.
ಓಕೆ ಭಯ್ಯ. ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟು. ಈ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಜನರು ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೆ ಗುರು. ಈ ಗೋಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೋಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸು.
Welcome to Golden City in Golden Fort. My name is Manish. I am living in the fort. So this fort is we are calling to Golden Fort. But this fort to real name Trikutgarh. So that's the reason this fort is built on a triangular mountain. That time here founder of the name Maharaval Jaisal. Jaisal was king of the name. Meru means mountain. This fort is built on the mountain. Mountain we are calling in Sanskrit language Meru. And king of the name Jaisal. That's why this fort name Jaisal plus Meru complete the name Jaisalmer. But 55 years ago, when Bengali movie director from Calcutta, he's make one movie inside the fort and they give the name Sonar Killa. After the movie, this fort name was changed Golden Fort, but the real name is Trikutgarh. This fort is 865 years old. This fort, and in 1156 AD, founded by Maharaval Jaisal. This is second oldest and living fort in Rajasthan. First one we are calling Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh fort covers 13 km. The second one we are calling Jaisalmer fort. Jaisalmer fort covers 5 km. Still inside the fort, 3,000 people are living inside the fort. When you visit the fort, you don't feel like a fort. Inside the fort, like a 40 to 50 hotels, 300 houses, 150 shops. It's like a small city inside the fort. In Rajasthan, all cities identify from the colors. If you go Jodhpur, we are coming to blue city. There was blue painted. If you go Jaipur, we are coming to pink city. There was also painted. But Jaisalmer, we are coming to golden city. Here no any kind of do the paint. All city is made by yellow sandstone. It's a natural stone from Jaisalmer. We we are come to yellow sandstone. When that's from sun rays, its reflection seem like gold. So that's why Jaisalmer we are calling to golden city. And this port specialty, this port inside, no any kind of use, lime, cement and water, nothing. Totally dry construction made by interlocking system. No cement, no lime, no water. So that's the reason Jaisalmer was before 14 million years ago under the sea. So when sea was dry, that was converted into the desert. So before time, you had a lot of problem with the water. That's why this port construction, dry construction, made by interlocking system. Inside the port, only two caste people living. 75% Brahmins. Brahmins is like a priest. They are lived by generation by generation. And 25% Rajputs. Rajputs is like a warriors. Because old time Jaisalmer only inside the port. King is also living inside the port and people also living inside the port. So we are lived by generation by generation. And inside the port, entry and exit only one way. But on the way you find 4 gates. We already left the first gate. Gate we are calling in Marwadi language P-R-O-L, roll. But when we go Jodhpur and Jaipur, they was calling P-O-L, pole. But here we are calling P-R-O-L, roll. So on the way 4 gates. First gate known as Akhet roll. Second gate we are calling Suraj roll. Third gate Ganesh roll. And the last gate is Wind gate, Hawa roll. So on the way 4 gates. All gates are zigzag. When you see the first gate, you can see the second. Not possible second from third. Not possible third from fourth gate. Because that's the reason. Before time somebody was attacked. So they have elephants. If elephants is straight, so easily close the door. That's why all gates are zigzag. This foreign so many was attacked, but nobody was captured. Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad very many times attacked, but nobody was captured. Around the fort on the boundary wall, look at those are stones, round one and long one. The round one is near about 90 kg and the long one is 200 kg. Now it is only for decoration. But before time somebody was attacked, so the push enemies that stone. They use like cannonballs. In Jaisalmer, 90% business depend on the tourists. Tourists come to visit, look at the carving on the stone. This kind of carving you find in Jaisalmer on 3 things. Second thing on the textile, we are calling it handicrafts. Third thing on the silver. Normally if you will buy from silver anywhere, so you find hardly 80% silver. But if you will buy from Jaisalmer, so you find with certified 92.5% silver. Because that's the reason Jaisalmer was a before time part of Silk Road to China. That time Jaisalmer was a very big mandi in Asia, 7 number custom house. That's why you find in Jaisalmer silk and silver genuine things. Okay? No, private. Anybody mobile?
ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳದ್ದು.
And look at the center symbol of sun. That's why known as Suraj Pole. Somebody was attacked, so that time they push enemies that stone. Actually in Jaisalmer you find 2 kind of stones. First one is we are calling to yellow sandstone. All cities made by that stone. That stone to especially when you use, when it touch, then it go more shine, automatic polished. And here also you find crockery of that stone. Just to listen. Actually in Jaisalmer 2 kind of stones you find it. First one is we are going to yellow sandstone. When you that stone to specialty, when you use then it go more shine, automatic polish. And here also you find crockery of that stone. Normally we are making curd in the house in steel bowl. Night time you put little bit starch, but early morning curd is downside, curd upside water layer. But if you can make a sandstone bowl, you can make a curd. So early morning your curd is totally yogurt. Extra water absorbed it. Early morning your curd is like a paneer, very thick. Because this is sandstone, sand is absorbed the water. And only single stone you can use in microwave. Other stone you can't use in microwave. The second one in English we are calling FOSSIL, fossil. Fossils means it was a proof Jasmine was million years ago under the sea. Leadstone to specialty here also you find glass of leadstone. In the glass, overnight you can put the water. Early morning you drink the water. That water is beneficial for the blood pressure, heart, piles, diabetes and muscular pain. And sometimes people also make a pyramids. They will keep in the house. Protection for evil eyes. Very lucky stone. That's why that stone to use India's all monuments on the entrance. Jaisalmer Jain Temple, Agra Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, Ganapur Dilwara Temple, Amritsar Golden Temple, everywhere on the entrance you find that stone. Protection for evil eyes. I will show you in the temple. First we will visit the temple and after we will see the Fort Palace Museum. Okay? We are calling Ganesh Prol. Ganesh Prol you find every fort. Because Ganesh is the first god of Hinduism.
Yes.
If you want to start any kind of new business, so first you can do the worship of Lord Ganesha for good luck. That's why we are calling Ganesh.
ಗಣಪತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚು ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ.
You from Bangalore? Hyderabad.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಕಲ್ಲು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ.
Look at the right side in the corners of the balcony. In English, we are calling announcement window. And Hindi, we are calling Ranabheri. Actually, old time, Jaisalmer only inside the fort. Somebody was attacked, somebody was celebrating the festival. That time one person was there, and that time they drum. And they do the announcement there. People are collected here. So we are calling to announcement window.
Announcement window.
See the flag.
Flag.
It's our royal family's symbol, umbrella.
Royal family symbol, umbrella.
Today also in Jaisalmer royal families to 44 generation, still he was lived outside the fort. If you heard one Hindi movie, Sarfarosh movie, that movie was shoot there of Residence King.
ಸರ್ಫರೋಶ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಮೀರ್ ಖಾನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೂವಿನೂ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಈ ಫೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ.
In Hindi we are calling Hawa Prol.
ವಿಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್.
Now we are coming by work, so we are tired. If you want, you can 2 minutes sit there, you feel like a natural air condition. And look at the stool. Every day million people will sit there. So it was polished from the hips.
ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಕಲ್ಲು ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕೂತು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಕೂತು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್.
I will request first you will visit the fort and Jain temple, and on the way I will show you what do you want to buy. It will ask you in front of the shopkeeper, that time I don't say, because for you everything is similar. But I know I am local, I know very well which is the good thing. But for example, we are typical textile from Jaisalmer. It was every day display for the outside. After 1 month, 2 months, it was spreaded from the sunshine. They can do the dry in 50 rupees. They make a new. When you go in the house, you can do the wash. Money will go in the water. I request what do you want to buy inside the phone. Only stone articles. I will show you genuine place. If you like it, then buy. I am not pushing to buy something. First, we will go and see the Jain temple. Rajputs. Brahmins are vegetarians. Rajput is non-vegetarian. That's why all Hindu temples, Jain temples inside the Brahmin portion. Before time in the center, royal families lived here. That part is before time called the palace. But now it was converted to the museum. This part is we have called Dashera Circle. In Rajasthan, we are celebrate 2 kinds of festivals. First one we are calling Gangor festival. Gangor is symbol of Parvati. Second one we are calling Dashera. Dashera is the before Diwali. today also in Jasmine on the festival time, this part is totally decorated and this part is decorated. 7 kings they come in Jasmine and they sit on the marble from the white one, covered by gauge. And they celebrate the festival. People are sitting on the stairs. Look at the left side, we are going to Goddess Temple, Chamunda Devi Temple. Before time, that temple to front side, kill the goat and buffaloes for sacrifice. But when 1974 Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was came, that will be banned. Look at the carving portion, that part is important for the King's Palace. That part is the Queen Palace. That is for kings, that is for queens. There you can see little bit windows. Inside person possible see the outside, but outside person can't see the inside. Because your ladies always inside a curtain. Because that's the reason before time, 1 king, 40 queens, 1 king, 30 queens, no problem. But today, 1 king, 1 queen and 40 problem.
Not 44 problem.
ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಫೋರ್ಟ್ದು 2 ಏರಿಯಾ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಜಪೂತ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಒಯ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಫೋನಿಗೆ 50 ರುಪೀಸು. ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಫೋನಿಗೆ 50 ರುಪೀಸು. ಒಳಗಡೆ ತೀರ್ಥಂಕರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚುಗಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ 6666 ತೀರ್ಥಂಕರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚುಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಜೈನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ತೀರ್ಥಂಕರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚುಗಳು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 6666. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫೋನ್ಗೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಯ್ಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು ಫೋನ್. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಭಾರಿ ಹವೇಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ 50 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ.
Ba means in Rajasthani language we are calling grandfathers to grandfather. We are calling Ba. But in Gujarati we are calling Ba for ladies. So this is not related from the royal families. Near the royal family in Brahmins, highest caste, that surname was B-Y-A-S. It's like an advisor of royal family. That's own house. Haveli specialty, look at the top. Ceiling is totally made by wood. That's why you feel a little bit warm inside. In the summertime, you will come inside, you will feel a little bit cool. In winter time, you feel warm. Because ceiling is made by wood. And look at the pyramid. See? I already explained about the pyramids. You find this kind of pyramids. You will keep in the house protection for evil eyes.
Stone.
Is it made by porcelain? And glass used for medicine purpose. You find also glass. If you have big family, so also you find bottle also. Bottle is very cheap for family. On the way I will show you first. When you are then I will show you shop. Government also. And they give the bill also. Don't worry about the quality.
ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಆ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಂತೆ.
This is the Mandi custom house. Jasmine was the important part of Silk Route. Where's the Mandi? Custom house. Here we These are all things. Is it made by copper, brass, and silver also? Mostly they use this kind of things. ये तो वुडन का है. It is used for गेहूं clean करने के लिए. सुपरी. 50 years old ice cream maker.
आइसक्रीम में पर मुझे सिगड़ी लगी
नहीं ice cream maker. सिगड़ी वो है. In market you find this kind of bottle. Is it made by porcelain stone used for medicine purpose?
Porcelain stone.
If you have big family, so it is better for bottle. Otherwise, can use this kind of glass.
Okay.
Yeah. There are different size. One glass, small size for one person. Big size, big glass for two persons.
Okay.
And you have big families, so you will bought this kind of bottles. Water is cheaper for family. These are chapati boxes and these are papad boxes.
Okay.
This one is water boiler. Water boiler.
What?
Boiler.
It's like a geyser. And this part is we are going to single bathtub. Before time we have a lot of problem with the water. Somebody was guest come in the house suddenly and they need one glass of water, so we have no water. That time we are giving a lot of big pot of give the buttermilk and ghee also, but water is not possible. So before time we are our old generations they was using one bucket water 4 times.
4 times. Oh.
Recycle water. Somebody was do the shower that time they will sit here and downstairs they put the all kind of pots.
Okay.
After shower all water collect in this pot.
Uh-huh.
Same water we are using first clean the clothes.
Okay.
After same water we are cleaning the floors.
So,
And after last in that water we are mixing the cow dung and after we are making clean the clothes also.
close.
It's like a recycle.
रिसाइकल
These are all things made by real resin
ಒಂದೇ
glass.
ನೀರಿಗೆ 4 ಸರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Is it made by real resin glasses? These are different flower pots.
Belgium
I
glasses.
told you jasmine is an important part of silk root. These are Belgium glasses.
Belgium
Is
glasses.
it made by, is it used for flower pots, different perfume bottles, oil lamps, and 100 years old feeding bottle for baby.
Feeding bottle.
And it is used for eye cleaner.
Okay. Ah.
Belgium glasses. Second floor
Secret
ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
sword. Walking sticks plus inside secret sword. In local language we are calling gupti. Different water guns for play the holy.
Pichkari.
Yeah, these are projectors, movie camera, tape recorder, telephone, whether movie, some telephones. Gramophone. Before time we have no mobiles for sending the message. That time we are using this kind of message box. You can put the letter on the paper and they fold it and put inside and hanging on the camel neck. Camera automatically send the message. And they cross the border also. And this one is opium sir. Our culture in Rajasthan, somebody was guest come in the house. So first we are giving a lot of opium.
Opium is?
It's like a drugs.
Afim.
हाँ खसखस पता है खसखस में सोपियम जिसमें सब्जी नहीं बनाते
Banned in Dubai actually.
हाँ तो खसखस होता है उसको ओपियम बोलते हैं
In India we are using it for
सब्जी सब्जी अनाज
These are It's like a 9 meters turbine, real turbine.
Bangwali.
And you know how many benefits from the turbines?
It will protect you.
First, make in the cool summer time, and they make a warm winter time. You will go on the horse ride, camel ride. If you fall down, protect the head. Sometimes your wife is angry, throw the balloon, protect the head. And very big benefit. If your wife is giving a lot of problem, that time it will open, wrap in the neck, and hang to the wife.
Oh.
Multi-purpose.
Multi-purpose.
These are typical and traditional ornaments from Jaisalmer.
Traditional ornaments.
These are pure gold or with?
This is dangerous. But people today also wear this kind of real
Gold है ये?
It is demo.
But how can it's still shining?
It's artificial.
Artificial. They keep on changing.
Is it made of silver and gold plated?
हाँ ये जो है ना ये गले में पहनते हैं इससे नेक बड़ा हो जाता है मैंने देखा उनकी नेक ना इतनी बड़ी बड़ी होती है लेकिन अगर वो निकाल देना वो जल्दी मर सकते हैं
This one is we are calling R and choker also.
चोकर हाँ
This one used for arms. We are calling bajuband. Is it before time we are making? It's a traditional chudala.
हाँ, इधर पे पहनते हैं
Before time people are making ivory with the gold. The ivory is bent. That's why they make a plastic with gold.
चोकर
And he was a present king still.
Present king.
Yeah. His name was Maharaval Chaitanya Raj Singh. Jaisalmer kings give a title Maharaval. If you go Jodhpur, we are calling Maharaj. If you go Jaipur, we are calling Savai Singh. If you go Udaipur, we are calling Maharana. And here we are calling Maharaval.
Maharaval.
Outside the fort, we are new palace. Mandi palace.
ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋಂಥ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
Betel nut cutter.
हाँ
And sometimes people also use opium cutter. Opium. These are the weights. You know, Banya people,
हाँ
they are called Kanjus Marwadi.
कंजूस
He was very clever. That time they used two kind of weights. For the selling is different, the purchasing is different. These are different weights.
Sheetal.
These are magnet locks. This one is we are calling iron.
ಐರನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್.
आयरन हाँ
In Hindi we are calling stri.
उसमें कोयला रख के गर्म करते हैं
स्त्री भी दो प्रकार की होती है, एक ये वाली और एक जो वाइफ होती है जिससे उसको भी स्त्री बोलते हैं. दोनों भी वार्म करती है.
सुना। अच्छा ये पूरे से चलते हैं, छोटे वाले कैसे चलते हैं?
ये भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक British time coins and state time coins. And these are Indian currencies.
अरे 10 का कोई नहीं रखे
ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ.
These are British coins.
ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್.
Federal Guinea.
हाँ
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವೈ
Desert this direction 42 kilometers. Pakistan this direction 150 kilometers. Tourists go Portugal only 120 kilometers. There was one big temple, Tanur Mata temple. And one Hindi border movie was shoot there.
ಓಕೆ.
And that is artificial lake, Gadi Sagar lake.
कौन क्या नाम है उसका
Gadi Sar.
कल इधर
गड़ी
पे
सर.
कल गए थे मछली है बहुत सारी
कल देख के आए थे हम लोग गड़ी सर.
You want to take a picture here with the group?
हाँ वेल टेक एक काम
ಅದು ರಾಜಾ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸು, ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸು.
Let's gather here. We'll take a picture.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಲೇಕ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಹಮ್ ಸಾಥ್ ಸಾಥ್ ಹೈ ಮೂವಿನೂ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಂತೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸು ಜುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥರ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತೆ.
ಇನ್ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಗಿಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಸಕ್ರಿಗೆ. ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಟೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತರೋದು ಮರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಗೇಟು. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾರಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಶೀತಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪವನ್ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ರೂ ರೊಚ್ಚಿಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಗೊಚ್ಚ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾ, ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಗೊಚ್ಚ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಕುದುರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕುದುರೆ ರೈಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕುದುರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ, ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ವರ್ಕು. ಈ ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂವಿಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ಫರೋಶು, ನನ್ನೆ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರು, ಲಿಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಬಿಚ್ಚು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸುಮಾರು ಮೂವಿಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 2 ಶತಮಾನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು 3 ಫ್ಲೋರು ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾದಲ್ ವಿಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಾದಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾದಲ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಜವಾಹಿರ್ ವಿಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 100. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜನನ ಮಹಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 80. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ಲು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ 160 ರುಪೀಸು. ಬರೀ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಮತ್ತು 80 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ವೈಸು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ವೈಸು ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುದುರೆಗಳು, ಪರಿವಾಳೆಗಳು. ಮಂದಿರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಳಿತೀವಿ.
ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ವೋ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್.